Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion, a system that helps you manage tasks, projects, and priorities efficiently. GTD, or Getting Things Done, is all about capturing everything on your mind, organizing it, and reviewing regularly so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by creating your inbox page. This is where you capture everything that needs your attention, like tasks, ideas, articles, purchases, or projects. Anytime something comes to mind, add it to the inbox. Then, once a week, review this page and process the items. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. If it's actionable but takes longer, move it to Next Actions. If it's part of a bigger initiative requiring multiple steps, move it to Projects. Anything not actionable can go to Someday Maybe, Reference, or Read/Review. Next, set up your projects page. This is for anything that requires multiple steps to complete. Add each project as a page and include all potential next actions inside it. Assign properties like priority, size, and sprint to help manage which projects to tackle first and when. For example, a project with high priority contributes significantly to your objectives, while sprint helps plan the timeline. Create a Next Actions page as a linked database from your projects. This way you can see all actionable tasks across projects in one place. Use filters to show tasks due soon or high priority, and assign tags like context or category to keep them organized. You can also add additional pages for reference and waiting for/review, which are helpful for storing information and tracking tasks you're waiting on from others. These are optional, but make your GTD dashboard more robust. Finally, organize your dashboard by creating a main page that links to Inbox, Projects, Next Actions, Someday Maybe, and Reference. You can use Notion's board, list, or table views to make everything visual. By using linked databases, you can show the same tasks in multiple places with different filters, giving you full control over what to focus on each day or week. With this GTD setup, you'll capture ideas faster, process tasks efficiently, and always know what to work on next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more Notion productivity tutorials.